So hi everybody, my name's Caroline Blake and I work for Lake Champlain Sea Grant as well as UVM Extension, and we're here at the stream side today to continue the chemical quality testing, and right now we're going to focus on pH.
pH is a scale of acidity from 0 to 14. It tells how acidic or how basic a substance is.
Alright, inside of the pH test there's going to be 2 pieces of litmus paper. Really you only need 1, but we gave you a second one in case you want to try a second one, or for some reason the first one doesn't work out. It's a really simple test. All you need to do is take your piece of paper and immediately dip it into the stream, maybe about halfway down the piece of paper, and compare it to the scale found on this piece of plastic. Now the scale ranges from 1 to 14, 1 being more acidic, and then 14 being the most basic. So let's compare. The paper kind of falls into a yellowish or olive color, and so we're going to call that between 5 and 6 pH. Means it's slightly acidic, with 7 being that neutral number, but this doesn't really fall too much out of the range that we would expect for being streamside. Once you have your piece of paper and you've gotten your readings, don't forget to put it on your data sheet, but also there's no need to put this back in the kit. You can throw this away.
Water temperature is a physical property expressing how hot or cold the water is.
You use a thermometer, pretty basic, and you're just going to put it straight into the water and let it sit for maybe 2 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. And what you're going to do is place it in the water. You can hold on to the string if you'd like, or you can just set it there and let it adjust to the water temperature, but don't forget to set your timer. All right, our 2 to 5 minute time period is up. Let's take a look. This is in degrees Celsius, so just remember, as scientists we always report data in Celsius, and I see about 14 or 15 degrees Celsius, and so what does that mean just for comparison? That's about 59 degrees Fahrenheit. And so what you're going to do is take your number of 15 degrees Celsius, put that on your data sheet. If you want to do this test again just to kind of verify the information that you have, that's okay too, but we're good to go with our temperature reading.